Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is March 10, 2021. This is week number 10 of the year, and I want to do some moves. The market looked like it's going to downtrend. It opened green, but you see this, it's losing a little bit of strength. This may be an indication of retesting or going back red again. I'm not really sure. The other good thing is Bitcoin is hot. You see this? Bitcoin is up, so that would be good for my Riot blockchain shares that I'm still managing my position in. Okay, I'm ready to put on an SPY trade because this one is only 35 days to expiration. I want to do a little bit more riskier. So I want to look at this one here. It's a free 50 on the short put. So it's a 5% chance of happening. A delta is minus 11. On the call side, I'll probably go somewhere around here. I'll do something a little bit riskier. I'll do a 19% chance of happening, 12 delta. Okay? So the reason why I'm doing this is this. If the S&P shoots up 20 points, and if it tests this side, I would probably lose money on this option, but your 401k plan is worth more money, and I'm okay with that. And this is what it looks like right now. It's collecting me $1.32 in premium. Collect the net credit. I'm going to try to stretch it out to $1.35 maybe. Look at the buying power here. I can actually do free contracts. I'll leave some buying power in my account. That number is wrong. There you go. And what does it say? This is saying I'll collect nearly $400. So we'll do that. We'll put this trade in. Again, boring, safe trades. Put it in. Let's see, did it go? Not yet. I'm actually really impatient because I'm recording. I like to do it in one full swoop without editing anything. So I will have to lower this on, let's go 130. All this is for you. You should send me a tip to my Litecoin address. If you have Bitcoin and you want to tip me, you can do that too. I can provide you a Bitcoin address where you can send a tip for me. Remember, all this is for you guys. So let's lower this down. I'm probably going to get I don't have the time to just move it one penny at a time and wait there for 40 minutes. So let's just do this. Let's see, can that trade get in? And there you go. I got in the trade. Let's work on the next trade. So because you saw an S&P already, I may not even close this today. I'm just going to cancel this. I may close it on Thursday or Friday. So that's what I'll probably end up doing. They're not being tested, so I'm okay with that. So I'll cancel this. As you can see, that order was canceled. I may wait till tomorrow or Friday to do that. For my next trade, I've been letting some time expire on this one. I probably did it about 3 weeks ago. So I have to roll again. I'm just going to roll it up one bucket. You see that? This is a 34. There's no money to be made here. I tried that and you see this. So it forces me to use July. I'll move it up. And I'm okay with collecting whatever I can at this point. So I'm going to try to collect 30 cents for it. The goal is when you're rolling, you try to move it up and try to make a profit, even if you know you're going to be holding the bag. I will be holding the bag on this one for quite a while. I got in when it was cheaper than what Warren Buffett paid for it. I got in under $30 a share. It's now touching 40. I'm quite happy owning this one. I'm not complaining. And I'm also making money on the premium on the cover call on this particular underlying. So let's try to get that one across. There you go. I got it. Made a small profit, nothing huge. But you can see how when rolling, when done right, you can still make a little bit of money. You can still collect a net credit. I think that's all I have for today. I want to look one last time. So I did look around. Do I really have to do this? I don't have to do this, but I think I want to. This is now above my strike price here, and this is a cash secure put on Rocket, so I would actually make money by rolling it down and out. So I'm rolling it in the future, and I'm rolling the strike price down. So this is what I'm going to do here, collect the My goal is to collect another $30 here. So let's do that. We'll put that in and we'll see what happens. I may have to lower the price, which I'm okay with. I'm not deceiving myself on what I'm going to get for it. And I know I was going to get $35 for it. I still may have to go even lower than that. But let's put that in. And there you go. You see it. After rolling the price down, I'm going to just clean this up a little bit. So I got my I'm sorry, this is Rocket Mortgage. I rolled it and I got a small credit, nothing much. But I did release some buying power because this is a cash secure put. That brings this video to an end. Comment below. Let me know what you are trading and how your results have been. If you need some help, just ask a question below and I'll try to get back to you. If not, please follow me on Facebook. Investing 102 is the group name. You can find me there. You can post pictures or ask a question. I'll try to help you as much as I can. As always, I do believe that we can do this together. We can do this $1 at a time. And it takes time and a little bit of patience. But if you make profit on each trade, you should do okay. And over time, you will be wealthier than you were the previous year. Thanks again, and have a profitable day. Bye-bye.